Hey, so if you're looking for information about E1ULife and you want to know if you should join it, you're looking for an E1ULife review, then you came to the right place. And I'm going to take you through a little bit about E1ULife, which used to be E1UP, and it was restructured in order to be a marketing system that will help you to be able to market online and generate leads and make high ticket affiliate commissions. So, pretty much they have different, packages, and you have to create an account, you choose a package, and you submit a request, and then you get your design, with the company, and their goal is to help you to try to make money online. Now, their highest all-in package is $2,500, and that includes all this stuff. And basically, here's the price point. So if you want to make a lot of money with this, pretty much the only way to make a lot of money is to go all in. Otherwise, you'll be having to make a lot more sales for a little bit of money. So if you're ever doing anything high ticket, it's always best to go all in if it's a good opportunity, and you're gonna learn different stuff as far as your autoresponder and the web hosting, which is included, right? So with the basic package, you only get opt-in pages, so they really don't give you much unless you really invest a lot of money. Now, the problem with this is, when people make these investments of $2,500 and such, they don't know how to actually, get traffic and get people that convert with this offer, right? So, you're spending all this money and you're trying to market this opportunity online. You want to market E1ULife online because you believe in their products, you stand by their products, and you want to actually make money with it, but it's very hard to find quality traffic and traffic sources that convert, and a lot of people don't actually know how to track their stats, how to get leads, how to know if they're getting conversions, how to know how many leads opted into their page. They don't know anything about that. And right here, this particular opportunity does not have specific things on tracking, right? So you have to actually know some marketing skills in order to get traffic and make those leads that you have convert, right? So I'm going to show you, here's the Profit Builder's traffic. My traffic is a quality traffic source that you could actually use to promote your E1ULife business and actually get results in E1ULife and be able to actually make money with E1ULife. And I've had people get traffic and they generated high ticket commissions with it. So if you have a good offer like E1ULife, it's important that you get quality traffic sources to that, and you actually know how to get targeted people to your offers, and you want to make sure that your offer is promoting or is converting, and what you're promoting is going to allow you to make those higher ticket commissions, so that way you could actually get results. Now, the traffic that I have, it comes from different sources such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So that's a mix of that traffic that you'll get. And my goal when you order traffic from me, I'm a little bit different than other solo ad vendors because I'm a marketer first and I sell traffic afterwards. And so when you are able to get a package from me, is what I do is I help you to get results. I want to see that you get results. I want to see that what you're doing is converting. I don't want you just wasting your money on traffic. And I want you to be able to actually get results with E1ULife and be able to sell the products in the right way. So is what I do is I have a call that you'll be able to have with me, and I'll be able to actually see what you're doing in your business to get results. I'll be able to give you some tips and tricks on how you can convert your sales with E1ULife. I'll be able to give you some advice on how you could go about getting more sales with E1ULife. And for those who want to make sure that they get the high opt-in rate and conversion that I have, I'll take you through. So, as you can see right here, I have anywhere from a 50% opt-in rate all the way as high as a all the way as high as an 88.9% opt-in rate, which is the highest in the industry thus far. I've never came across anybody that has opt-in rates as high as me, and I also get people results. So that's why you would want to book the call with me if you get traffic with me. It's actually included in your traffic purchase. So basically, I'm gonna help you to get high conversions. I'm going to also help you to understand how to track your leads and know your conversion rates. That's important when you buy any kind of solo ad traffic. You want to make sure what you're getting is what you're being told that you'll get. Otherwise it's not good. You want to go to somebody who is trustworthy and not going to rip you off. And it's very important that you really learn from somebody who's a marketer rather than just a solo ad seller that sells clicks. And because there's a lot of solo ad vendors that don't do marketing, they just sell clicks to people. They don't market themselves. They make a majority of their money from just selling traffic, and you don't want to go to anybody like that. And I'm going to help you to actually build a list of targeted people with the right people who are engaged, who actually want to buy E1ULife, who actually want to see you get results, and who want to build with you, right? So it's important that when you're actually building a list that you get people who are really business minded and who want more out of life, who really believe in the online marketing space, and who want to actually make money and want more out of life. You don't want the tire kickers, right? And that's what I help you to do. So I'm going to help you build a list of qualified people who really want to hear about your offers, right? So that's what happens when you get traffic from me. So you get it in 3 simple steps. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select your package, and then you have the option to set up the call with me, and we do a campaign review. So I'm going to help you and give you tips and tricks and the best strategies to use before we actually deliver the traffic. If you choose to, it's included, so it doesn't cost anything extra to get that coaching call with me, right? And then all orders are going to be delivered within 3 days or less, so you don't have to worry about your traffic being delivered. I connect with people on Facebook, and so that way we can actually have a conversation. I don't like selling on platforms like Udemy because those solo ad vendors do not care what you're promoting. They'll send traffic to whatever. I'm not really a fan of selling traffic on there. It's a good platform, right? They have some good sellers on there, but it's just not my style because I prefer to connect with people face to face and hands on and be able to talk to somebody. I want to talk to my clients. I want to know their results, and I want to make sure that they're getting quality service when they order from me. So that's the difference between me and somebody else. So you just pick a traffic package down here. You can pick 90% T1, or down here is 100% T1. And here's all the companies that I work with or whatever, and the traffic will work for. So it's Make Money Online. So if you have any questions as far as the traffic, you're going to want to see this section right here to know any questions that you may have. And if you have any questions, you could always ask a question down here, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, normally within 24 to 48 hours. So I want to make sure you're completely satisfied before you actually buy from me, because I want you to come back and I want to work with you long term to help you get results, and I want to make sure that you're able to actually get the results as you really want. So that's why I started to sell traffic in the first place. I want to see people get results, and I want to see you finally have the results that you want with E1ULife. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this on E1ULife reviews. Make sure you click on the link below this video to actually get into my free Facebook group. It's free, and like I said, when you order traffic from me, you could also book a call with me, and also make sure you click on the link below this video to go to my traffic order page, right? So when you order traffic, make sure you click on the link below this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.